Hi, I'm Sonna Brado, and I'm going to be sharing with you a new way to use our STYLECOLOR, and also a new style color, which is our Real Red. I love the Real Red because it has a little bit of a metallic feel to it and is beautiful in brown hair. So shaking it up to make sure that we have the full mixture of the product. And then I'm going to be using our Veris vent brush. And the Veris vent brush is going to help the product to move throughout the hair. So I'm going to use a towel and just spray the STYLECOLOR directly onto the brush. This is a really consumer-friendly way to use the STYLECOLOR. Easy for her to do at home. Catching that area that I want to highlight. And it's a much more subtle way to apply the STYLECOLOR. And there we have it, our STYLECOLOR in Real Red.